to another video, and in this video we're gonna unbox this guy right here. Yes, it's gonna be a mic upgrade again from this mic. This mic performs great, but let's upgrade to another mic to get the best quality out of it. And I know what you're thinking, there's no video for a quite long time, but due to technical issues I'm not able to post videos. I'm really sorry for that. And if you like this unboxing and review of this product, do consider hitting the thumbs up button, subscribe, bell icon, and straight away let's get started. And before that, I'm JB, you're watching Twjb. So let's get started. Let's unbox this mic first of all. I know I don't have an unboxing knife, so it's going to be a normal knife itself. Let's unbox it directly, and yes, there we go. Up and yes. Really very tough to unbox this. Great packaging from Amazon. Of course, I have to say that. Yep. Okay. Sorry for it. Okay, we got finally the box. You guys can see in that it says BY-M1 mic. It's a cardiac mic, and you guys can see the image itself right over here. It says Boya right there, and again it says the branding and some of the features it has, and the price and everything. I'll talk about the price at the end of this video, and then yeah, that's it. Pretty well it says, and a compatible device, smartphone, tablet, and then computer, camera, and then yes, it's a I guess it's a camcorder, I guess. But right, okay. And now let's unbox it. Got it. Okay, it's great packaging. One second. Yes, this is what it comes up in. Okay, stand this way. Okay, this is how it comes up in the box. It looks like, and here we go with one right over here, and it is having a fluffy windscreen up in the right away. Okay, let me. Okay, yes. And yes, let's see the next product. And yeah, a good stand for, and then we get 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack connection, and then again this is for this microphone for smartphone, and this is for, I guess, yeah, DSLRs, I guess, pretty well. Yeah, maybe I don't know what it is. You comment down below. Again, this has silicone something kind of, and comes with a very good pouch. This is something I love about Boya. It brings in a great pouch which is usable indeed, and great quality. So yeah, that's it. Happy you get in this product. So yeah, this is the mic itself. It all looks like, yeah, I guess it is good indeed. Let's check the sound quality of it in the upcoming video. And this is the mic test you are hearing from this BY-M1 mic. How is the quality? And check 1, check 2, check 3. How is the quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to switch over to the BY-M1 mic, and now let's see how it sounds great in that mic. Okay, and now you guys are hearing from that mic indeed, and how is the sound quality from that mic. And yes, it has a lot of advantage. Even this is a shotgun mic, so that it takes the sound only in this direction, not in other surroundings. That's very good for vloggers and many YouTubers like me. And then the prices, hardly both of them came for me equally, because the one I bought, the BY-M1 mic, is 2-meter long mic, so it cost me around extra. I don't really know about extra about that wire kind of stuff. It came around me for around 1,800. The same is for this BY-M1 mic also. And do let me know how is the audio sounds comparing the both mics. And this is a quick video, and new contents are coming soon. I know this video would be not that much interesting, maybe interesting if you seem this video to be interesting, then hit the like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next one. Until then, goodbye, have a nice day.